Alright guys, Alex here. 2015 Nissan Versa Note hatchback, radiator fan assembly. So, okay, this is the bar. You gotta remove the bar. Like 2 screw right here, 2 screw there, a bunch of clips, just like that. That's a plastic clip, just like that. Take them out, so you can remove it. You don't need to disconnect the airbag sensor, but make sure you disconnect the battery and everything. Take the horn off, so it will give you more room. You can pull it at the side, and there is one screw. I already took the fan off, but there is one screw right here, which my finger is, and the other one at the middle, right there. So after you did that, remove these lines, unclip them, the hose, the radiator hose, and there is a couple wires over there. Disconnect the main harness, the gray one and the black one, and you should be able to pull it out gently. Just be careful, don't damage the line and everything. And you can put back that one, just a reverse instruction, and you should be good to go. Thank you guys for watching. God bless.